Okay. Alright, we got a lot of gas in the plane. I think we can fly, so let's wait for the green light. Okay, green, go! Okay, what number do you want to count down from?
Stop.
What number do you want to count from?
This place. I put the gas on.
You want to put the gas again?
Yes.
Oh, okay, let's put gas. Okay. Alright, there's gas in the car. Wait for the green light. Okay.
Red is not green.
Red means don't go, green means go. Okay, green light. Okay, what number do you want to count from, buddy?
I count to 4.
Okay, go ahead. 4,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, we both landed safely.
Then it